What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be doing a quick tutorial on how to ballast regular HO scale tracks. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do whenever you're ballasting this type of track is there'll usually be 2 or 3 holes. On this case there is 3 holes, one here, and one here. You're going to want to tack those down with some rail tackers. Just take these little tiny nails and slide them into the holes and push them down, and they will secure your track to whatever base you're trying to do. Right now I'm just doing cardboard. A lot of people will be using plywood, but I'm using cardboard on this one just because this is not a long-term ballast. This is just for tutorial purposes. Then when your track is good and secured to whatever base you're going to be laying the track on, you need to take a spoon and whatever ballast you're going to be using and slowly spread it over all the tracks. Now keep in mind you're going to want to keep ballast out of the areas like right along the edge of the rail here, because that's obviously where the wheel flanges will be on the trains and it could very much cause derailment. So that's a good tip. Here we go. Our goal is really just to spread it nice and evenly, but make it look as realistic as possible. It's going to be kind of going everywhere as you spread it, but just do keep in mind you can always spread around in different areas of the track. Going like this, hitting each ties, kind of makes it lay into the ties a lot better and gives it a more even look. And there we have it. The ballast is nicely laid all over the track in its natural position. Now do keep in mind you don't want to move or bump your thing, because it will move the ballast out of the way where you had it originally. It's going to move it. So as quickly as possible, you're going to want to take your 50% water and 50% Elmer's glue mixture and make sure it's good and mixed up. And just kind of go around it, trying to be as gentle as possible, laying it on with a spoon. Now right now it does look a little messy, but by the time it dries tomorrow morning it will be as hard as a rock and pretty much just the way you left it. This looks like a lot of glue, but that's kind of what you need to have a good hard rock. And then I guess we just wait until morning and it should be dry. And there you have it. Overnight, let it dry for 24 hours, maybe 12 hours overnight, depending on how much glue you put on the piece of track with ballast. But a lot of people will put like a industrial fan on it to kind of hurry the process up. That's what I did with the model railway, and I'm really happy with the way the ballast has turned out on that. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.